Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up Fisch and making the device discoverable. This gets you into the live process fast. Once done, pair the GPS module. USB-C docks instantly. Bluetooth requires a PIN. This establishes the data link. Make sure to open the Fisch GPS app and accept location and background permissions so satellite fixes persist. I explain these steps now so you avoid resets later and get a first satellite lock quickly, which speeds everything that follows. You now watch the satellite status screen and let Fisch acquire a fix, typically 3-5 minutes for a cold start, shorter if assisted. While locking, set your update rate. 1 Hz saves battery, 5 to 10 Hz gives smoother tracks when moving fast. Also enable augmentation like WAS or EGNOS to tighten horizontal accuracy, and pick coordinate format that matches your workflow, because consistent coordinates prevent translation errors later. These choices directly affect precision. You finish by recording routes and tagging waypoints. Press record, add a name and photo, and check that timestamps match local time. When done, export GPX or KML via USB or Cloud Sync and verify coordinate system to avoid mismatches in mapping software. If you lose a fix, try the key troubleshooting tip. Move to an open area, toggle airplane mode briefly, then restart the GPS service. This clears stuck radios and forces a fresh satellite almanac pull, restoring reliable fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.